Hello everyone. There's quite a bit of change taking place over the country today, with warmer weather settling into the northern parts, where we also expect more sunshine compared to yesterday, while over the opposite side of the country the opposite effect is taking place, with cooler and moist air moving in from the Atlantic Ocean, dropping the temperature over the Western Cape and bringing in lots of cloud, and along with that there could be rain over the area as well. While all of that's taking place, there could also be a few thunder showers for some areas over the Free State, the Eastern Cape and into KwaZulu-Natal. A little bit of moisture with unstable conditions, and we could have those thunderstorms popping up for some areas. But before we take a look at that rainfall map, here's your alerts for today, and there's only one warning in place, and that's for a high fire danger affecting parts of the Northern Cape, the Northwest, as well as some areas in the Free State. Here's the rainfall map for today, and there we see isolated thunder showers over parts of the Free State, just touching southern and Mpumalanga and all across KwaZulu-Natal and crossing the border into the Eastern Cape as well. Showers for the Western Cape, including the Garden Route later on, and spreading into some parts of the Eastern Cape by later this afternoon and this evening. That will include Port Elizabeth and quite far inland. The northern interior sees high temperatures for this afternoon. Pretoria climbs to a maximum of 26 degrees. And over KwaZulu-Natal, we're expecting it to be an especially hot day for some parts of the interior. Ladysmith and Pietermaritzburg both getting to a high of 30 degrees. Some areas along the coast are going to be quite gusty for today. Richards Bay and Port Elizabeth averaging at 35 kilometers per hour. Durban, you have a northeasterly wind. It will be fresh at times. Over the southern interior, we see warm weather for Graafrenet, but further westwards it's going to be quite a bit cooler, 18 as a maximum for Worcester, and temperatures will remain below the 20-degree mark for the south coast of the country. We have mostly westerly winds over this area. There is still a 3-meter swell for Jeffreys Bay. Let's move up to the Northern Cape, where there's a variety of temperatures for this afternoon. Uppington and Kimberley in the upper 20s, while we see mid-teens in the forecast for Calvinia and Sutherland in the south. Towards the west coast, low temperatures expected for this area as well, with lots of cloud cover. Winds coming in off of the Atlantic Ocean, bringing in that cooler air to the region, and there is a 2-meter swell expected for the peninsula today. A quick check of tomorrow's weather conditions, and we see showers for much of the country's coastline, while inland it's going to be mostly sunny and warm once again.